Welcome to the Air Brake course tutorial. This guide will help you navigate through the course effectively, utilize available resources, understand assessment protocols, and ensure you're fully prepared for both successful completion and what follows if you encounter difficulties. To maximize your learning experience, it's essential to engage actively with all course materials. Use the main program player to pause, play videos, and adjust audio levels as needed. All slides come with closed captions. Simply click CC to turn them on. Schedule regular study times, take notes, and review each module thoroughly. Requesting assistance/resolving issues. Should you need help or encounter any issues during the course, don't hesitate to use our ticketing system. Click on Course Support, then New Ticket tab, write a summary of your issue, and provide a detailed description. We aim to resolve issues within 24 hours. For immediate concerns, check our help section or call our support team at 647-760-5505. Course completion procedures. Upon completing the theory portion of this course, you will take the knowledge test. If you pass, you can move forward to schedule your practical sessions. If you do not pass, you are given a total of 2 attempts to succeed on the knowledge test. Failing both attempts requires you to retake the entire theory sessions and pay the course fee again. Once you successfully complete the theory, you'll proceed to the practical sessions. The practical test allows for 2 attempts. Should you not succeed after 2 tries, you will need to pay the course fee again, redo the practical sessions and the practical test to ensure you meet all necessary competencies. This structured approach ensures that you are thoroughly prepared for both the theoretical knowledge and practical skills needed to operate air brakes safely and effectively. Scheduled breaks. We encourage taking breaks to improve concentration and reduce fatigue. The course is designed to prompt you to take a 5-minute break every 2 hours, during which the next lesson will be inaccessible. These breaks are crucial for maintaining peak mental performance throughout your studies. Assistance during assessments. If you encounter difficulties during assessments, tests, or exams, immediate assistance is available to ensure you have the best chance at success. You can call our support team at 647-760-5505 for real-time help. Alternatively, if you prefer to communicate via email, send your queries to airbrake@trubicars.ca. Notice of information collection. As a participant in this course, whether you are a student, instructor, or administrator, please be aware that the information you provide during your participation is subject to collection, use, and retention. We gather this data to enhance course delivery, support, and administrative functions, ensuring an effective learning environment. Course navigation. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate effectively. Play/pause. You have the flexibility to pause or play the video at any time according to your learning needs. Closed captions. All slides come with closed captions to ensure accessibility for all learners. The default setting is off. Activate closed captions by clicking on the CC button. Audio adjustment. Adjust the audio level to your comfort to enhance your learning experience. Menu and options. Located at the top right, here are 4 key options. Menu. Use this to view all topics within the module. Resources. This section includes links to useful external websites that complement your learning. Glossary. Access a list of commonly used terms to help clarify your understanding. Help. This feature is your go-to for troubleshooting, contacting support, and frequently asked questions. Navigation buttons. Next button. Advance to the next slide. Note, this button will activate only after you've completed the media on the current slide. Previous button. Return to the previous slide for review as needed. Slider bar. Use this to review specific parts of the slide. Please note, fast forwarding through any course material is not allowed. Special features. We employ several advanced features and security measures to ensure both the integrity of the assessments and the security of your course data. Two-factor authentication 2FA. Initial login and assessments. 2FA is required at the initial login, before each graded assignment, and prior to the final test to verify your identity. Inactivity. If there is a period of 15 minutes of inactivity, you will be prompted to re-authenticate using 2FA. This helps to maintain security and protect your account. Authentication attempts. You have up to 3 attempts to successfully authenticate. Failure to authenticate within these attempts will require you to contact our support team at 647-760-5505 for assistance. Account security. Our system prevents more than one simultaneous login to the same student account, enhancing the security of your educational experience. Assessment security. During graded assessments and the final test, you will not be able to return to course material, ensuring focus and fairness. Answers to incorrect questions are withheld until the end of each assessment. After completing, only the incorrect answers will be displayed for review, facilitating targeted learning without revealing all solutions. Daily instruction limit. A maximum of 5 hours of total online instruction is permitted per day. This regulation helps manage your learning pace and ensures adequate rest and retention of information.